Hey, welcome back, y'all. So today we're talking about another visual. This one's going to be tree map. We're going to talk about the pros, the cons, and then what you can do within the visual as well to kind of make it stick out more. But with that said, let's dive right in. So tree maps are similar to pie charts. So it can show parts to a whole within a certain table or data set, and it's really good at visualizing proportions at a glance. The downside is going to be that it doesn't necessarily have the agility and flexibility to have too many objects within it, because as you incorporate more data points, you have more tiles within that tree map, it gets smaller and smaller to kind of visualize because you're comparing against other tiles. So my rule of thumb is if you have more than 10 data points within a tree map, I wouldn't utilize it at all. It's only going to be beneficial if you have 10 or less, simply because the type of area it's covering is going to get too foggy, is going to get too clustered if you have too much data in there. But let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so we're just going to keep it simple. We're going to click on tree map here, and now we're going to start inserting our data point. So our category is going to be city. Our values are going to be name. So our name is going to be the quantity that we have per city. So as you can see, they all pop up. And then if you want to put details, you can put the quantity per square that we have, or per rectangle. So we're going to say state. And once we have that, we're going to go to format. We're going to turn our data labels on. And now we have our total value, right? The great thing about tree maps is that you can right click, you can show data point as table, and this is going to allow you to see a by name list. But as always, you can increase the size of the data labels, increase the size of the category labels. So as you increase the font, what's going to happen is you're not going to be able to see the full text anymore. And that's the downside behind tree maps. And we actually have a fairly large tree map right now. And the larger we make it, the downside is going to be it's going to take up more of our canvas. So if I just enlarge this just a little bit, right now this is taking up half the canvas. So I would just caution you, as you want to utilize a tree map, you want to see things here. It's great, and it has a lot of color, has a lot of depth behind it. You can have a by name list within it too, but the downside is always going to be the structure that you have set up naturally within the tree map is that it's going to bleed off the text that you're looking at. In addition to that, what if we just simply change this tree map to a bar chart? And now a bar chart is going to tell us 1 to kind of end, right? So you don't always have to use a tree map. Just think about other options that are out there, play around with them, and whatever works for you in your organization. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. With that said, thanks for watching, y'all.